Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. Tonight, I want to do something different. I know this is unannounced here, but what I want to do, I want to log into my laptop here. And many of you have been asking about how much money do I make on YouTube here, okay? So in this video here, in this live here, go ahead and smash the love button if you can hear me properly here. As a matter of fact, pause for a second. Alexa, open up my shades. What I want to do is show you how much money I've made in 2021 and how much money you can make if you have over $500,000, subscribers here. And don't mind the shades. That's just the shades going up. Thanks to Alexa here. So, pay attention. And yes, this is the Millionaire Midnight Rant, but I want to do something different here. I want to be very transparent because sometimes people are very confused on how much do people really make on YouTube, Wes? You know, how much money can you really make if you build a channel? As a matter of fact, how many of you would like to build a YouTube channel? Comment below. I'm just curious. Okay, how many of you would like to do this? And the funny thing about this, my YouTube channel didn't blow up until last year sometime. And from there, it's just been, no, not last year, year before last, actually. And it's just consistency, and it's just, actually, consistency is just the name of the game here. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So here's my YouTube channel here at Wesley Virgin. And I'll talk about Instapage. A lot of you have already purchased the program and gotten in, but I want to do something very special for people right now. If you would like to grab the Instapage program, which is paying about $100 per hour. Pretty remarkable here, and I just want to share that with you. So as you can see here, this is 550,000 subscribers here. Okay, how many of you have ever seen one of my YouTube videos online? And there's some misconceptions about YouTube. You know, when people want to start a channel, one, they think it's hard. Two, they think they have to show your face. Listen, you don't have to do either. Okay, there's many videos that I've recorded before, such as this one. I don't show my face. And I still do very well. And let me show you something here. Let's go to my YouTube studio here, so I can show you the analytics here. Okay, so that's me. That's a video that was posted today. As you can see, it's ranked #1. And listen, when you start a YouTube channel, understand this and write this down if you ever want to do this. And I do suggest to do it because YouTube is the future. It's just the new TV. It's where everybody goes to watch anything on the planet here. Consistency is key. Okay, it's all you have to do. I mean, at a minimum, it's some other things that you need to do as well, but honestly, if you're very consistent on posting quality videos, okay, they don't have to be like quality such as camera quality. I mean, I've been making videos with my iPhone, like right now, and this is an iPhone right here, and these type of videos do very well, and I'm gonna show you proof about it in a second here. But listen, it's just all about consistency. You find a niche, and you just have to be very, very consistent. Post as much as humanly possible. The more you post, the more money you make. You have to think that way. So when I started this YouTube channel, I thought about it as like a bank. And I would think the more money that I put in the bank, eventually it's going to pay me out. And that's what YouTube is. But the great thing about it, when you put enough money in the bank, it's going to pay you for the rest of your life. My children will make money from this YouTube channel when I'm gone and dead. Their children, as long as it's here, it's going to pay me for generations, for the rest of my life and their life as well. So check it out here. So if I go to analytics here, you'll see the analytics here. You'll see that today we had almost 900,000 views here. I'm not today, in the last 28 days here. But you guys want to know how much money I made, right? Okay, so let me show you here. If I go to 2021, you see that? I just want to be very transparent, folks. Smash the like button if you enjoy the transparency here. You know, because there's so many people that's talking about, you know, channels and making millions. And, you know, well, log in, let people actually see it so they can make a decision if they want to jump in or not here, okay? So, look, 2021 with 551,000 subscribers, I've earned $337,000, okay? It's about 30 grand plus per month. Not bad, right? Just from making free videos, right? And the great thing about this, folks, listen, before you get started and say, Wesley, I want to do it too, listen, it doesn't cost a dime to do this, like $0. I spent no money in generating this money right here. Like, not at all. It's just time. That's it. Record a video, 10 minutes here, 15 minutes here. But it's literally no cash that I had to spend to be able to do that. And listen, you can do this as well, okay? But listen, one, you have to invest in yourself. When I say invest, not just money, but you have to invest time, right? And then you have to know what type of niche do you want to get involved with, right? Some people have just their life. You'll be surprised on so many YouTube channels that just make so much money, and you would think that people would think the subject is boring here. Listen, whatever you do and whatever you know, well, make a YouTube video about it. You can kill it here. That's $300,000 in 1 year. Let me show you my lifetime. Check it out. Lifetime has been $500,000. Look, now you got to understand this. In the last 2 years, because that's when I really got serious with YouTube. And when I say serious, I just started posting every day. No lie. So I was just posting every day, and I would do 3 videos a day because I want to make money now, not later. So $500,000 lifetime income from spending no money, just investing time. That's it, right? So I wanted to do that video because I know a lot of you are asking me about it. And listen, I do suggest everybody give it a go, give it a try. But if you're going to do it, be serious about it. Post 1 video a day. Of course, get yourself some courses or just watch YouTube videos that show you how to do it. I have a YouTube video that I'll show you exactly how to build this. It's not hard. I mean, less than 2 years, you can definitely be doing over $10,000 to $20,000 a month. Like, yeah, honestly. So I have on 69 million views so far on this channel here, which is pretty impressive as well. So listen, let's get back to Instapage. A lot of you are asking me, what is Instapage? What does it do? And how can I make money? Well, I want to do this. Not only do I want to show you how it works, I want to give you everybody here a bonus here. That anybody that right now, while I'm making this live video, if you decide to take advantage and invest in the Instapage program, and this is what it do. It's very simple. If you ever posted, let me show you something here. Let me show you proof, because I know many of you want to see proof. Look at here. If you have an Instagram account, which you do because you're watching this, well, basically, every post that you make will pay you $100 plus, okay? And you need to do a new profile. But the great thing about Instapage, what it does, the reason why it does that is because once you set it up, okay, software, and you click the button that says post automatically, then what it does is it does things on a brand new Instagram account that's targeted, which is going to show you in the Instagram program. And you're going to just see money coming into your account here. And let me give you an example here. Let me show you some proof here. Give me a second, because the other day I made $2,800 doing this. Hold on, I'm sorry. Let me log in. Give me a second. Let me log into my PayPal account here. I'm going to let you look at that beautiful view. Give me a second here, because I want you to show you proof. This is my PayPal account, and I'm going to show you the money here. Give me a second here. And this is just from using the software, honestly. And I'll put a link below. But before you click on that link or get involved, look at this. Okay. So if you look here, it's $2,800 in my PayPal account right there. I just logged in. It's $2,800 from using the Instapage software. It's about $100 an hour. That's what it does. Right now, let me give you the story of Instapage. So a couple of months ago, I decided to shift, not even shift, but basically create new companies and get into the software space, because I've done so many videos on how to make money online, and it's very manual, which means you have to like invest a lot of time to do it. And I said, well, how about I create a software that does the small technical stuff for you so you almost can't fail. All you need to do is watch the tutorial videos and do it, and you just will make money. Honestly, that's why I created Instapage, which was a success, right? And now Instagram Like, you don't need any followers. Like, if you have 0 followers, this works. And I made $2,800 in one day, basically in my sleep. I set it up one time in the software here, and now it's doing pretty well. And listen, this is what I want to do. Anybody that wants to program right now, how many of you want to give it a go? Okay. And as a matter of fact, like in this program, honestly, like if you fail, say if you buy it right now, say, Wes, okay, I'm going to invest $17 if that's the cost. It's cheap, right? $17 is usually $1,000 per month, but it's $17 one time. And if you fail, I'm willing to pay you $300. And knock on wood, I haven't had to pay anybody that money yet, at all. And which is pretty fascinating here. And let me show you something else here. For anybody right now that, if you look in the link below here, it says www.wesleyvirgin.com/Instapage. I want to do something else for you. For anybody that wants it right now and shows me proof that you purchased it right now in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you access to this. So listen, this is how it works. I'm going to have an unannounced bonus. Now, this is only for the first 15 people. Right now, they get it. Okay, that's willing to invest $17 to change their entire life financially. Now, listen, this is not meant to make you rich, but I think $100 an hour is pretty good, right? It's like $2,400 a day, which is about, $60,000 a month. Now, I get it. That's not a ton of money. That's not $1 million a year yet, but I think it'll help you and it'll build your belief that it's possible. So this is what I'm going to do. Now, listen, the only people that's going to see this unannounced bonus, which is going to be a webinar with me and these two beautiful, outstanding people, one of the biggest marketers on the planet. These guys, they were my mentor. I've never talked about this, but I'll talk about it here. I'm not going to say too much about it. But basically, first 15 people, they get it. The link is right here. I'll leave it in the caption below. I'm going to give you access to this webinar. It's a private webinar with these gentlemen, with this beautiful man, this beautiful woman. They're married, whatever. And what we're going to do is we're going to take you on a journey in the next 20 days to hit $10,000 a month. Like guaranteed. And like I said before, if you fail, we'll pay you money. We'll pay you $350 if you fail. So you're basically losing nothing. And like I said, knock on wood, I haven't had to pay anybody any money because it works. Listen, as long as you're committed, as long as you're serious, as long as you're willing to go through the journey. Now, you're not one of those people that's just a tired character or is going to quit in the first hour. Somebody that's really committed. I don't know, maybe somebody has a family, maybe you have some kids, and you're just sick and tired of the 9-to-5 job. You're just sick and tired of your life, and you want 2022 to be different now. Well, if you want that, go ahead. The link is right under this video in the caption. It's www.wesleyvirgin.com/Instapage. Okay, once you go through that, you get everything that you see on the screen. It's important to get everything, okay, that you see, because everything is for your success. Everything is for you to be able to live the life that you want to live here. And only the first 15 people will see this. Everybody's not going to see this. But if you are, I'm just doing, I just want to give massive value. Is that okay? I want to give you guys massive value here. It is a private webinar here. Many people will not see this page, unfortunately, here. But if you see it, all you do is leave your name, you leave your email, and your phone number here. Yes, we're going to contact you as well. And just imagine being on the phone with me or one of my team members. And basically, we're going to walk you through this process here. And all you have to do is to be teachable and coachable. Okay? If you're teachable and coachable, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make a ton of money, not just with Instapage, with internet marketing itself. Listen, 2022 is the year for change. Somebody right now that's listening to my voice is going to be a millionaire this year. I don't know who it's going to be. I don't know if it's a young lady or a young man. I don't know if it's a single mother. I don't know if it's a dad that's having a 9-to-5 job. I don't know if somebody in the 40s, 50s, or 60s. But somebody here is listening, and they're very dead serious about their future, and they want it to change now. So For any of you that decide to invest in Instapage right now, it's not $1,000 a month. It's only $17 here. And the link is in the caption below. You can go there right now, get it, show me proof that you got a receipt. And listen, if you wanted the 15, I will reply to you. If you're not, that means you're just too late. Okay? I'm sorry. It's up to you. So it's your decision here. So much love. I will come back live in the next 1 minute to do a rant, but I just wanted to do this video because many people have been asking me about it, about YouTube and about Instapage. So listen, the link is below. Click it, invest 17 bucks. If you got the money, great. If you don't, wait till next year, do something else, save up the money, do what you got to do. But anybody that wants to absolutely categorically change their entire life this year with me, holding your hand through the process here, getting this unannounced bonus here, having access to a community of millionaires that are doing things that will blow your mind, let's go. Much love, guys. Let go.